So yes, welcome back, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want my friend to give you guys more information on how your CV should look like, how you should revamp your CV to make it more attractive, to make it more, competition is too high, and you need to be more extra for you to stand out. So in order for you to stand out, you need to be creative on how to revamp your CV. So maybe you can tell us which information is more important on your CV that you may think you should not miss out.
Okay, I think people have made a CV look like just a normal thing, and that is where people fail most.
Even for an interview.
Yes. Any moment you send me your CV, how the first page looks like tells me more about you. And that one will give me a motivation of
To
if
go
I'm
on.
going to go on or I'll just move to
Give it aside.
I just move to the next person.
Wow.
Yes. Most of the CVs, I just look at it on the first page and I'm like, this one doesn't look like she's serious.
Serious, yes.
Yeah. So I just pass and move.
So what do you think, maybe which information do you think makes
There
you...
is what we call a career objective or a personal statement of a person.
Yeah.
Any CV, I think anyone who wants to do a good professional CV must have a personal statement.
Exactly.
Tell us who you are, what skills you have, and what is it that you have that other people don't have. Everyone has a degree in whatever you're looking for.
Even
everyone,
masters and PhD.
Yes. But you might find a diploma guy has more skills than the degree person.
True.
So let your CV on the first page tell us who you are, tell us what is it that you have that other people don't have. And that is what we call most people call it a career objective, or for me I call it a personal statement,
Summary or something,
or a personal summary, whatever.
And guys, don't forget, in that personal summary or statement, don't make it like a full page,
Sure.
Just be straight to the point and give important information only. It needs to be short, right?
Very short
And very important and very clear and straight to the point.
Yes. Sure.
Yeah. What else on the CV that you think you might maybe give
on the
them?
CV? Of course, we normally look for experience, education background. Mostly we look for skills, experience, education background, and maybe the testimonials, that is the referees. Because most of the jobs we normally do what we call a background check. A background check, most people when they are doing their CVs, they just put anyone as their referees.
Let me ask, do you mean you people call those people?
Yes. There's what we call a background check. If you give us a referee, we will call them. We will ask them, do you know this guy? Do you know this lady? The first person to tell us, most people nowadays, we have so many sadists in the world.
True, yeah.
Because people are going through several things. So you will just call a random person, ask them if they know this person, and they tell you, I don't know them.
Who is that? Maybe you start me thinking.
At that point, we put away your CV
Hey,
and move
Jesus.
on. Yes. We
Lord.
just put it away and move on. So the people that you put in your... people never know that the people that you put as your referees are very important, and very key. when we are doing background check, and this background check entails you if your certificates are
Genuine,
legit,
yes.
or if they are genuine, and if you're saying you've worked before, if it is true, we have to make sure that you're saying you worked in this company as what and what. Why did you leave that company? We have to know. Maybe you stole.
Yeah.
Maybe you
did some crime.
Yeah, we have to get all that information. So that is why we normally do that background check. So people, when you're putting your referees, don't just put anyone. Most people, I find people putting their, I don't know, dean of school, sijui whatever department.
On that point, before I was asked to ask you a question.
Dean will not even know you.
No, let me say, maybe someone told me that in your CV for the referees, you need to put at least a lecturer, someone that you know from where you schooled, just to confirm, in case they want to confirm if it's true you schooled in that college or that university. You need to put someone maybe where you've worked. That one is common.
Before, yes.
So in that case of my school or my university, maybe I put my favorite lecturer, and I've been there like past 10 years now, and maybe she can't remember me.
Yes. Yes.
And maybe you want to get information from her. What will you do in that case?
You will fail.
Oh my God.
You will fail. Let me tell you the truth. You will fail. This person doesn't even, she can't remember you. She can't even trace her name by, so you will fail. So me, I normally I normally advise people, when we are doing a background check, we will not even look for your favorite lecturer or the person that you know in that school or the dean. We will go straight to the management of the school. We will call the school, and we will follow up to know, did this person do a degree here? When did she graduate? When did she have the certificate? Just to confirm. What was the degree certificate number? Just to confirm is what you have attached. So getting this information, it's not through your referees. We normally go straight to the school.
Okay.
So if you think this person has already forgotten you, please don't put them in your CV.
Guys,
kindly don't.
I didn't know this. Imagine.
Put someone who can be called anytime, any day, and they will tell that whoever is calling them, they will tell them, yes, I know this guy because of 1, 2, 3, and I recommend him or her for this and this.
Munaskia, you guys, this is very important. Oh my God, I didn't know this. Yes. Do you know, even in my CV, I have my lecturer up to now.
Does the lecturer know you? In person?
Probably she has forgotten.
Enough.
So I should just move her.
Yes.
Well?
Yes. You need to put the people that you've worked with, the people who are close to you, the people that know and understand what you do. That lecturer doesn't even understand what you do nowadays. Does he?
I thought she doesn't even know where I am.
Whether you work,
leave alone,
or you have a business, or
leave alone even knowing where I am. She doesn't even know me. We are so many.
Exactly.
And maybe she will ask, I teach so many people.
Yes.
That,
Yeah.
And then
Ati, I have, please give me time to consult and see if we have such a person. And at that moment, you will forget. Story inaisha hivyo.
Guys,
that is where you end up losing the job.
I hope you are taking notes, guys. This is very important. I hope you are taking notes. On the same on the referee part, is it advisable to put maybe, let me say, someone from my current job? Maybe my CEO, my manager.
Yes, very advisable.
Is it?
Yes,
it's okay.
As long as you had a very good relationship, please put. Please put, yes.
Okay. Yeah, that is it. Maybe Maybe unless you have any other thing that you want to put across.
I don't think I have left anything out. When you're doing your CV, just revamp it as more as you can. Make it look like you're really the person that the company is looking for.
You know what you are looking for.
And I also tell people, when you're writing your cover letter, because of course cover letter goes hand in hand with the CV.
Yeah.
When you're doing your cover letter, don't do too much work. Don't write so much. A cover letter is just to say that I really feel like I'm the person who is qualified for this job, or who is even overqualified for the job. That's it. And tell them all these things that you're looking for, they are already attached in my CV. Make your cover letter as short as possible, but make it brief and straight to the point. Make sure you capture the important part of you and the important part of your experience.
So in short, cover letter should be just your personal statement.
Yes.
Like who you are,
what you know, and why you think you are the most person qualified for this job. Period. Don't put too much work. Don't tell them where you've been working, what. All that can be found in the CV. So don't tell us all that. Tell us all this experience and what. Refer in my attached CV. Yeah, that's it.
Very important. Wow. Okay, after Mimi, I didn't know all this. I'm learning. I didn't know this. Actually, I just asked you because I wasn't sure. Like, there's some information maybe I'm missing.
Yes.
And I needed some clarification, which you've done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And be blessed. Yeah. So guys, that is it for your CV, your cover letter, what you're supposed to do. So at least make use of this information. You are just giving it out for free. At least we are giving it for free to you guys, so that you can benefit. You can even teach your sister, small sister, if you have your kids, just give them this information, just share it out, so that maybe at least we reduce the percentage of unemployment in this country. So many people are not getting jobs because of CVs and even how to be express themselves in writing. I can be so good in talking, but in writing I'm something else,
and vice versa.
Yes. That one happens. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time, bye.
Cheers.
Bye.